Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this magnetic hybrid tough case by Olino, I guess is it, or something like that. Well, let's check this out here. Let me open it up, see what it comes with. It comes with, I guess, the case, wrapped in plastic. So this is going to be the case. I guess a cleaning brush, maybe for cleaning out the ports and whatnot. Yes, it is. And then little instructions. So these are the instructions. So let's see. I have an Airpods case here, and so let's try to do this one here. See, oh, I guess it's just magnetized on the top, and then I guess it goes in. I don't know which way it's. Oh, it's got the little hole, one little hole, and then the three little holes, which the bottom of my case has as well. Oh, I've got the string on mine, so I'm gonna have to take that string off. Let me take this loop off, so you don't want to have a loop on there. So let's get that off of there. Okay, so there we go. So that is off. So now let's put it back in there again. So the 3 goes on that side, the 1 goes on that side. There, so that it's on, and it fits in there like that. And then the top goes on, I guess, this way here. So it'll be like that, and then it'll open up like that. Look at that. Well, that's got a nice, good close to it. So if you had a hard time closing it, if it doesn't stay closed, that's totally going to stay closed. And it looks like it's got a little piece of plastic here. I think it's going to have sticky stuff. So then when I put it on, it'll never come off. So let me put this on, and then it'll keep it from ever falling off. There. So now we've got it on there. Got to push it on there really good. And there we go. So now I have a nice, tough case for my AirPods. How cool is that? And it's got a little key ring on the back. I don't know what you'd use the key ring for. But it came with this little other carabiner ring too. I guess you could put this on the other side here. So if you want to clip it on something, you could stick it on there. And then I could clip it onto something else and hang it that way, or hang it this way, put it on my wrist, whatever I want. Actually, this would be really good, so I can put it on my wrist. When I'm in the airplane, I always fall asleep and lose the case or whatever. I can just go like that. So kind of cool. Nice little case. And so now I've got my new case. So totally cool. Thumbs up.